Students, today we are going to revise lesson 9, The Two Horses. I hope you are remembering this story. The previous class we have discussed the story and given the question answers and the exercise part. So today we shall just revise once again what we have learned in the previous class. The Two Horses. So once upon a time there lived a lord's horse and a peasant horse. You remember who is lord's horse? What is the rich man's horse? And a peasant horse means a farmer's horse. They both were great friends. They talked a lot whenever they met each other. But one day, lord's horse told something that badly hurt his friend's feelings. So what is the lord's horse told to the peasant horse? You remember? Yes. Unlike me, you are a horse of common breed, said he. I am always harnessed to a coach and you a wagon. I am fed on a barley and you mostly on straw. Just like, look at me. See how beautiful are my legs and how spotless are my hoofs. Your legs are all cracked with mud. Which one of us is more handsome, you or me? So that is who asked this, the lord's horse told to the peasant horse. He was comparing with himself with the peasant horse. You, of course, the peasant horse told that you are beautiful, of course, said the peasant horse. There you are, said the lord's horse, lifting his head proudly. And when I run, it is a pleasure to watch me. I move so fast and I can run very fast. Okay, you certainly can't. The lord's horse told the peasant horse, I am able to run fast and you can't. And I could outrun easily. Who told that? Not a small snail. It is the peasant horse. I can outrun a snail also. This is made the lord's horse very angry. So they have decided, what they have decided finally, that and then they agreed that they would run a race. They would run circling the meadow and not stopping till one of them were defeated. What was the agreement they made with each other? That they would run circling the meadow and not stopping till one was defeated. And you remember who won the prize? Of course, the farmer's horse. Okay, so the lord's horse claimed itself better than the peasant horse. You remember, no? So what the lord's horse told? The lord's horse claimed himself better than the peasant horse. Both the horses decided to run a race. So finally what they have decided? They have decided to run a race. The lord's horse asked the peasant horse if it was not time for him to rest. So the lord's horse, it was very tired as after taking 3 rounds. It felt so tired and it asked the peasant horse, is it time for you to take rest? The lord's horse said that a housefly is disturbing him. So the lord's horse was taking rest now and then, and it was going outside the meadow and taking rest. So the peasant horse asked, is it time for you to take rest? Then the lord's horse said that a horsefly is disturbing him. We should never think ourselves superior than others. That is what we learn from this lesson, isn't it? So when we read the story, we can see the lord's horse was little proud and he compared him with the peasant horse. So finally who won? The peasant horse won the match. And after this, the lord's horse never told anything higher than superior from others. So we should never think ourselves superior from others. This is the story of the two horses. Okay. We can also just discuss the word meanings given here. Peasant. The meaning of peasant is farmer. Harness. Tie. Swiftly. Swiftly means run fast. Okay. Outturn. Outturn means run fast. Groan, cry out in pain. Okay, that's the word meaning we have to learn from this chapter. And fill in the blanks here. One day the Dash told something that badly hurt his friend's feeling. Who told something? Lord's horse. So it will fill here Lord's horse. And then and there it was Dash that they would run a race. They agreed. We will write here agreed that they would run a race. The Lord's horse started off at once. He avoided Dash at the peasant horse. He avoided looking at the peasant horse. The Lord's horse never dashed up his nose. Turned. That's the meaning here. Okay. You have to fill here. Turned. And also make sentences using the following words. I hope you have learned this. Okay. What is given here? Peasant. You know the meaning, no? Peasant means farmer. So the peasant was a kind man. We can make a sentence with. And hurt. We should never hurt others. Proud. I am proud to be an Indian. Both the horses ran encircling the meadow. Making a sentence with meadow. Both the horses ran encircling the meadow. He did not give any reply. Okay. These are the things you will be learning from this chapter. And the question answer you will be already I have given to you. Okay. So, make the sentences into interrogative. The clouds brought rain. We used did in the beginning to make the simple past tense. Sentences into interrogative. So, how to change that? The clouds brought rain. Did the cloud bring rain? Okay. You ran very fast. Did you run very fast? You went to school on foot. Did you go to school on foot? Okay. So you will be learning from this chapter the word meanings, filling the blanks, question answers and the given exercises. I hope you are preparing for the half-yearly post exam. Please prepare properly and learn the exercises and the question answer also. Thank you students for listening.